Welcome back to Money Matrix. Are you tired of hearing about get-rich-quick schemes? This video is different. Today, we're discussing how ordinary people become rich slowly and sustainably. Most millionaires aren't celebrities or founders. They're everyday workers who followed a simple system. If you've ever felt that wealth isn't meant for you because of your upbringing or profession, stay tuned. You'll discover that true wealth is built over decades, not days. First, it's essential to understand this principle. Time is your greatest asset. Wealth building requires patience and consistency. Now, let's break down how ordinary people achieve this. Step 1. Live below your means. Spend less than you earn. Avoid letting lifestyle grow as fast as income. For instance, when salaries rise, prioritize investing over upgrading your lifestyle. Step 2. Automate your savings. Remove emotion from money decisions. Set automatic transfers into savings accounts right after payday, treating savings as a mandatory bill. Step 3. Master delayed gratification. Delay short-term pleasures for long-term freedom. Instead of buying luxury items, invest that money. Small sacrifices today lead to large rewards tomorrow. Step 4. Invest early and consistently. The magic of compounding may feel slow initially, but over time, it becomes powerful. Invest monthly in diversified assets, and watch growth accelerate as the years pass. Step 5. Increase your income strategically. Focus on skill development to secure promotions and side gigs. Higher income allows for larger investments, speeding up wealth accumulation. Step 6. Avoid high-interest debt. Treat debt cautiously. Use it wisely for investments, but avoid consumer debt that generates no return. Step 7. Think long-term. Wealth builders consider years or decades. They stay invested and don't panic during market downturns. Step 8. Diversify your investments. Spread your money across different assets to minimize risk. Aim for steady growth, not quick riches. Step 9. Control lifestyle inflation. As income grows, keep a portion for investments. This balance secures both present enjoyment and future financial freedom. Step 10. Build multiple income streams. Wealth often comes from various sources. Consider dividends, rental income, or side businesses. Step 11. Track your net worth. Regularly monitor assets and liabilities. Tracking keeps you focused on building true wealth, not just income. Step 12. Protect what you've built. Maintain emergency funds, insurance, and plan for retirement. Wealth preservation is just as important as accumulation. Step 13. Stay consistent, even when results seem slow. The journey may feel tedious, but trust the process for long-term success. Let's visualize an example. Imagine an employee who saves 20% of their income, invests consistently, increases contributions, and avoids debt. Over 30 years, they accumulate significant assets through steady discipline, not a single big win. Remember, it's about combining time, consistency, controlled spending, strategic investing, and ongoing self-improvement. Ordinary people achieve extraordinary wealth by applying these principles repeatedly. Here's a simple blueprint for you. 1. Build an emergency fund. 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. 3. Automate savings and investments. 4. Invest consistently in diversified long-term assets. 5. Increase income through skill improvement. 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. 7. Track net worth annually. 8. Stay patient for decades. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. If you're ready to begin, remember, financial freedom is a marathon. Focus on securing your future, not impressing others today. At Money Matrix, we share practical strategies that yield results. Start small, remain consistent, and think long-term. That is how ordinary people become rich slowly. Thank you for watching Money Matrix. Subscribe now.